Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem Temu credit. So first of all, launch Temu application and then make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then at the bottom, simply tap on the option of cart. Make sure that you have items loaded on your cart. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of checkout at the bottom right corner. Now, once you come to this page, simply scroll down below and make sure that you see the section of credit rewards. And if you have Temu credit available, you'll see the section of your rewards. You simply have to tap on that option before you check out and purchase your item. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see other various details. Now, under delivery guarantee, you can see that you'll be receiving $5 credit in case of delay. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.